Hello, today I am going to dictate a newspaper report about coronavirus. Speed will be 100 words per minute, total words 892. After the dictation, you will get the whole passage which is divided into parts to make it more legible. It is advised that after taking dictation, you must read it back and then do transcription and check it. You will also get important words relating to this passage with their meanings and outline. Be ready. Now I will start my dictation after the countation of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. 5 months after the coronavirus outbreak engulfed New York City, riders are still staying away from public transportation in enormous numbers, often because they are concerned that sharing enclosed places with strangers is simply too dangerous. But the picture emerging in major cities across the world suggests that public transportation may not be as risky as nervous New Yorkers believe. In countries where the pandemic has ebbed, ridership has rebounded in far greater number than in New York City. Yet there have been no notable super spreader events linked to mass transit, according to a survey of transportation agencies conducted by the New York Times. Those findings could be evidence that subways, commuter railways, and buses may not be a significant source of transmission as long as riders wear masks and train cars or buses never become as intensely crowded as they did in pre-pandemic rush hours. If the risk of mass transit can be addressed, that could have sweeping implications for many large US cities, particularly New York, where one of the biggest challenges in recovery will be coaxing riders back onto subways, buses, and suburban trains, a vast system that is a backbone of the region's economy. When the city shut down in March, over 90% of the subway's 5.5 million weekday riders abandoned the system. Even now, as the city has largely contained the virus and reopened some businesses, ridership is still just 20% of pre-pandemic levels. Within double quote, what we are seeing in other cities makes me optimistic, decode said Toph Allen, an epidemiologist who co-wrote a report on coronavirus transmission and public transportation with the Tri-State Transportation Campaign, a transmit advocacy group. Within double quote, if you know that you have a transmit system that is functioning in the area where there are no major outbreaks, you know transmit can be sage decode. In Paris, public health authorities conducting contact tracing found that none of the 386 infection clusters identified between early May and mid-July were linked to the city's public transportation. A study of coronavirus clusters in April and May in Austria did not tie any to public transit. And in Tokyo, where public health authorities have aggressively traced virus clusters, none have been linked to the city's famously crowded rail lines. But public health experts warn that the evidence so far should be considered with caution. Ridership is in other major cities is still well below pre-pandemic levels. Tracing clusters directly to public transit is difficult. The quality of ventilation systems used to filter air varies, and the level of threat depends to a high degree on how well a city has reduced its overall infection rate. Within double quote, there are so many other factors that go into levels of risk and how you assess risk. Decode, said Dr. Michelle Reid, an assistant professor at the University of California, San Francisco School of Medicine and a contract tracing expert. Within double quote, they are not equal comparisons. Decode, in fact, state and city officials have been unable to determine whether mass transit in New York contributed to the surge in March and April that devastated the city, killing more than 20,000 people. The outbreak has exacted an especially devastating toll on transit workers. To date, over 4,000 have tested positive and 131 workers have died from the virus, nearly 90% of who worked for the division that runs the city's subways and buses. For much of that time, riders were not required to wear masks, and the infection rate in the city was much higher than it is today, likely making public transportation a riskier venue. Still, some public health experts believe the experiences of other cities offer blueprint for how to minimize the potential for transmission of public transit systems. Among the range of urban activities, the experts say riding the subway is probably riskier than walking outdoors but safer than outdoor dining. The low infection rates on some public transportation systems can be attributed in part to measures transit agencies have adopted, including mandating face masks, disinfecting trains and buses, and ramping up service and asking businesses to stagger work hours to reduce rush hour crowding. New York officials are trying to balance two goals, drawing as many riders back as possible while also avoiding sardine can crowding to rush hour. They have appealed to business leaders to have employees start at different hours, though the pressure on the system has eased notably since the shift towards working from home is expected to last for months, if not longer. Even as public transit ridership has rebounded in cities such as Paris, there have been no major outbreaks linked to mass transportation. Within double quote, each of these things layers one on top of the other to make things safer. Decode, said Dr. Don Milton, an environmental health researcher and aerosol transmission expert at the University of Maryland. The nature of how use public transit also may help explain why potential exposure levels might not as high as some riders believe. People tend to stay on trams or buses for relatively short amounts of time compared with a day's work in an office or an outing to a bar to see friends. Riders tend not to talk on the train, reducing the number of aerosols they release. In many cities, lockdown orders and new work from home norms have minimized crowds on trains, making it easier to keep some social distance. Now stop writing. Now I am going to show you the important words and their outlines. Part 1. Part 2. Part 3. And the final part. Now I am showing you the whole passage, which is divided into parts. Part 1 consists of 199 words. Part 2, total words 241. Part 3, total words 201. Part 4, total words 251. That's all from us. Thanks very much for watching.